Before starting my presentation, every time I try to finish my presentation in 5 minutes, but like every time it took like 8 or 9 minutes, so I'd like to apologize. No.
before the just
Yes. Like
remove the check first, please.
This one?
Yes.
So, good morning everyone, my name is Wakazono Ayaka. Today I'd like to talk about peach grading. But before talking about peach grading, I'd like to talk about what is Japanese agriculture situation. So what is Japanese agriculture situation? Do you think it's good or do you think it's bad? As I expect, it's not good. Domestic production of fruits and vegetables has been decreasing since 1985. So what has this happened? Like thinking about the fruits and vegetables in supermarket can be a hint. Like when you go to the supermarket, you will find a lot of fruits and vegetables which are imported from the other countries such as China, the United States and South American countries. And these fruits are really cheap. So first reason is the volume of the imported cheap fruit has been increasing. And second reason is domestic production areas have farm labor problem. As you know, the young people like who is living in the agriculture areas tend to go to the big cities to get a better job. And the age of farmers has been getting older. Okay, so how can we solve these problems? The first solution is the Japanese agriculture should rely on safety and high quality, not on the price, to compete with imported cheap fruits. Because like when it comes to the size of the land and the personal cost, Japan can be better than the other country. So why we have to compete by the price, not by the safety and quality. The second solution is that like Japanese agriculture should use machine to save labor force. So when we want to use this solution, we can use grading machine. So let's talk about characteristics of peaches, because there are various kinds of grading machine, and each grading machine should be appropriate to each fruit. So it's really important to think about characteristics of each fruit. So please take a look of this chart. I got this chart from the website which is selling peaches. And these are peaches for present, and these are peaches for yourself. So these peaches have some flaws, but they taste exactly as the same for the present. So please take a look here. These are peaches for present. About 2 kilograms, it costs 4,200 yen. But these peaches for yourself just cost 3,200 yen. So there are 1,000 yen difference just because of some flaws, because they taste exactly the same. So what is the characteristic of the peaches? It is the commercial value of peaches is highly sensitive to variation in quality. So now we know what is the Japanese agriculture situation and what is characteristics of peaches. So finally, let's talk about what is peach grading machine. Peach grading machine can take 6 view imaging from the top, bottom, and 4 sides. And please take a look at this picture. This is a machine from the front, and this is from the side. And these are peaches, and this is the camera, and this is the arm with 3 degree freedom. And the peaches goes this way, and the arm pick up a peach and they come here, and the picture from the bottom is taken. After being taken picture, the arm carries the peach here, and the 4 pictures from the side are taken here. I'm going to show how it works. Like while the arm is rotating 360 degrees, and the camera release the shutter 4 times. So the camera take a picture, 4 pictures, like rotating, and that takes a picture 4 times. And after taking a picture, the arm release the peach on the conveyor belt and go back to the original point. And as you can see on this picture, this machine can treat 12 peaches at the same time. So let's move on. What is the advantage? The first advantage is speed. One movement, like the arm pick up a pick up a page and 6 pictures are taken and release the page on the conveyor belt and go back to the original point. It's just 4.25 seconds. And as I said, this machine can treat 12 pages at the same time, so which means 3 pages per hour this machine can treat. In other words, this machine can work about 10 times as fast as person. It's super fast, right? So first advantage is speed. So let's talk about second advantage. Please look at this picture. This is a picture of the pages. This is from the top, bottom, and the 4 sides. As you can see, these pictures have a different color from the original picture. And the red, yellow, and I can find the green, that the sorry, why this color is different is like, so this is color converted by HIS conversion. And the red, yellow, and I can find green that indicate the normal areas. But as you can see here, the blue one indicate the defective areas. And please look at that second picture. This picture shows the defective area, as you can see here, white one, really clearly, based on the integrated assessment. Because this picture put like this picture and the other pictures all together and show the defective areas really clearly. So the second advantage is accuracy. And finally, I'd like to talk about what the pitch grading machine put impact on fruit growers. Like by using this pitch grading, the number of workers has been reduced dramatically, about 140 to about 60 people. So like which means less than half people are necessary. It's really big, like a number, right? And the second impact is like, because the peach growers don't need to use a lot of time on grading, so they can use more time on like more sophisticated jobs, such as intelligent business, farm expansion, or higher quality and safer cultivation management. So peach grading machine put a lot of impact on like the way to like the fruit growers. Thank you for your listening. Do you have any questions? Sorry for the...
7 minutes.
Yes.
Okay. Any question? Anything is okay. Don't hesitate. Anything. No worry. Any. I'm going to add some points for your question. Each question makes 2 additional points. You better, yes, please.
How does the camera checks the hue? How does it work?
So like,
Camera that checks the hue.
hue?
Hue. Color.
Color? Sorry, I don't understand. Would you say that again, please? Which please?
Camera that checks the hue. That's like
Yes.
It says HSI, right?
Yeah.
How does it work with the camera?
I don't exactly know how it works, just I read an article and just say HIS convert this color, so I don't know how it works. So it was
Convert from what?
the original color,
What's the original colors?
red,
Red?
green, blue.
Convert into HSI.
Yeah,
You don't know the equation.
gosh.
To convert.
I don't know.
You should know. You already learned.
I forgot.
Yeah, if you take my class. Any other question? Shall I ask to you? so far, Shirata is, Shirata is, you have no question? No question. You got to understand all of them. Okay? No, yes. How about the adaptation? That's not. Yes, that's not. Any question?
In this picture, the best one? No, it's the picture from the top, bottom, and the both sides. And this picture shows where the defective areas, and this gray one indicates like defective areas. So this doesn't show like which page is a good, just shows the place where the defective area is. That is the question.
It's okay? Details. How to get the best one? How to compare? Just that color or some value? Maybe she's asking me. But, yeah, detail.
Can I take the
Oh, sure.
Like in the articles, peaches indicate like a 33 groups, and it's based on the external appearance, such as like the flaws and the bruising and the scars and such kind of things. So like because of the appearance, entrance appearance, the peaches 33 groups.
Not only color.
Not only color.
Color
And how can I say the external
shape.
shape,
Shape.
the flaws,
Flow. What was that? Bruise?
keep
Flows.
flaws, the flaws.
What's the flows?
Flows means any defects.
Defect. Flows.
Flows. The flaws and pest and disease.
Eh?
Pest and disease.
Pest. Disease.
Yes, and dimensions, the size.
Size too.
Mm.
Size are different. That's the quality. We are talking about quality. Size is size. Quality includes those
Yes,
defects
colors.
and the color.
Yes, shape, flaws and pest and disease.
That's important. Okay. Good discussion. Anything else? Makino, you have no question? No question. Tani? No question. Oh. Anything else? Anyone?
In the introduction, you talk about the decreasing number of the farmers.
Yes.
How this grading system can solve that problem?
Because this grading system like can save a lot of time because as I said here like this has a really good speed and this machine can work about 10 times faster than the people. So by using this machine we cut off some other people, and by cut off other people don't need to use a lot of time grading. They can use more time on the other things. So we can solve the labor problems.
The farmer that you mentioned, maybe they works growing the fruits, not
grading because even like only by growing, if they don't sell the fruits, they can get the money. So I thought like growing fruits improves until selling the fruits. So I thought.
So this kind of machine will be operated by every farmer?
Not every farmer. Not every farmer. Because some farmers very small, so I read some articles. They are like grading the peaches, not in the facility, big facility like JA facility. They are grading the peaches in their house, not in their house, but in the a kind of cottage near their farm. So everybody doesn't have this because it's so expensive. You say everybody has this.
Yeah, that's why you think that this machine is just for part of the activities, post-harvest handling. The growing part is still problem with decreasing number of farmers. That's just my opinion.
Can you translate it to English, those Japanese? Probably you can see this. You know this one, huh?
Yeah.
Why don't you put English label here?
Yes.
Put.
I didn't think about it. I just took the picture from it.
Yeah, then you can put
Yeah.
on that. That's easy to understand. Anyone else?
Can you go to your first introduction?
Yes. Here?
Yes.
Okay.
In this thing, it would be easier to understand so initially you started talking about why fruits are decreasing since 1985, and you have to listen for some time before you understand why are you introducing this subject. So it may be better to say, why is grading important? To frame the idea, and then rather than have long sentences, to have aging farmers, declining population, simple points, rather than a complete description. Also, here you talk about solutions. That is a whole area of research.
Yeah.
So it is best to avoid, this is maybe more your opinion than what could be stated as fact. So
I shouldn't put this.
yes, that should be reduced, and just to say that grading is important for these reasons. It reduces labour, it improves quality. That way the introduction will be shorter, but it also gives you a reason why the machine you are introducing is an important one in this industry.
Anyone else? Hi.
Which is the global results. Here is the live picture. There is two robots. One is the supplying robot, and the one is the other is the choosing robot. The working of supplying robot is only to pick up the peach to the stage only.
Like a page and stop here, and the picture is taken. Like, and after that, stop here and rotate 360 degrees, and for picture taken. After that, release the page and go back.
I would advise about your PowerPoint, and maybe I think the top of pitch count rehearsal, pitch count time. Left side it's disturbed to see the PowerPoint. So maybe you should move it lower side, lower corner.
So should put
Yes.
this side to
Yes. And maybe there are slide number of corner, but I can see because the font is too small to see. So maybe I like.
This is just a point.
That is.
So I should put a number.
Okay. That's all.
Thank you.
Ustadesh. Anyone else?
Previously, usually very well. It was very comfortable to hear pronunciation. Can you speak a little slowly? While giving the presentation, so to make everyone can understand. And when I speak about yes, you will be in the audience, but try to have eye contact with everyone. Every individual. Like him, before that you're talking directly to him, not just staying.
Comment. Anyone else? Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.